UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's big message amid the unrest in Bangladesh. Yogi Adityanath has called for unity among Hindus on the occasion of Janmashtami. Raking up the Bangladesh unrest, Adityanath emphasized the need for unity, saying, and I quote, "Ek rahenge to nek rahenge," stating that one essentially must take lessons from Bangladesh of what should not be done. Chief Minister Yogi also criticized the opposition for their silence on the atrocities against Hindus in the neighboring country.
और राष्ट्र तब सशक्त होगा जब हम एक रहेंगे, नेक रहेंगे, तभी नेक रहेंगे। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे। आप देख रहे हैं ना, बांग्लादेश में देख रहे हो ना, तो वो गलतियां यहां नहीं होनी चाहिए। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, सुरक्षित रहेंगे और समृद्धि की पराकाष्ठा को पहुंचेंगे।
वो प्रधानमंत्री बनना चाहते हैं, कम से कम प्रधानमंत्री का रोल उन्हें नहीं प्ले करना चाहिए। ये काम प्रधानमंत्री जी का है, भारत सरकार का है कि दुनिया में किस देश के साथ कैसे संबंध रखना है। ये पहली बार नहीं मुख्यमंत्री जी कर रहे हैं, मुख्यमंत्री जी पहले भी कह चुके हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि दिल्ली वाले इन्हें समझाएंगे कि दिल्ली वाले फैसलों पर वो हस्तक्षेप न करें।
नफरत की राजनीति इस देश में कौन करता है, सबको पता है। डिवाइड एंड रूल इस देश के अंदर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी करती है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सिर्फ समाज के अंदर में बांटना है और राज करना है। जाति धर्म की राजनीति कौन करता है? मैं तो हमेशा कहता हूँ विकास की राजनीति करो ना। जैसे हम कहते हैं विकास की राजनीति करो, महिला समस्या पे बात करो, किसानों की बात करो, महंगाई की बात करो, बेरोजगारी की बात करो। इस पे तो वो बातें नहीं करता भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग। ये करते हैं बात किस पे? डिवाइड एंड रूल। ऐसी बात करो जिससे समाज के अंदर में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा डिवाइड हो। बीजेपी डिवाइड एंड रूल करती है, यही तो उसका थ्योरी है। ये इसी पे तो पूरी उनकी आइडियोलॉजी टिकी हुई है। इसी पे तो सत्ता के लिए कुछ भी करने को तैयार रहते हैं। यही तो पार्टी है जो सत्ता के लिए नफरत की बात करती है।
Samarth Srivastava is joining us with more details on this story. Samarth, not the first time that Yogi Adityanath really has spoken out on what's playing out in Bangladesh and the atrocities on Hindus that have been committed in the country, but now sending across a message saying there's a need for unity also while criticizing the opposition.
Well, actually, it's a massive statement coming from UP CM Yogi Adityanath. Though it's not the first time when he's commenting on the Bangladesh unrest, he is saying this in the past few speeches we are seeing. But this time, what's new is the speech for the unity. As what he clearly says that there is a need of the hour for the unity amongst the Hindus, and he also warns them with a message with a clear line of Hindi: "Batenge to katenge." So that's the message of UP CM Yogi Adityanath, because opposition parties are taking on Yogi Adityanath about the various issues, be it the caste census or any other thing. But now, on the eve of on the event of Janmashtami, when he was addressing the public in Agra, he clearly says that there is a need of the hour for staying united, and that's what the message for Hindus. So UP CM Yogi Adityanath has given. While SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav has also commented on Yogi Adityanath's back-to-back statements on Bangladesh, and he clearly says that he wants to become the Prime Minister, and Delhi should interfere in Yogi Adityanath's statements in the previous few days. So that has become a piece of politics in UP as well, where at one hand UP CM Yogi Adityanath taking on the Bangladesh unrest issue, especially the issue pertaining to Hindus, where we see a lot of temples being vandalized, Hindus being targeted. That's what Yogi Adityanath is here referring to. He has said that in the earlier public addresses as well, but this time around he has been a bit stern with the statements he given. He even says that we need to stay united. He has given a clear message from the ground, because we see, though dates haven't been announced, but by-elections is on the cards in Uttar Pradesh, and that the statement coming in before the by-elections in UP is quite crucial. While opposition is seeing it as a matter of politics, as Akhilesh Yadav clearly says that that's not the matter of CM, and even few SP leaders are claiming whether he is the CM of Bangladesh if he is giving such a statements. While the BJP and the Yogi Adityanath is clearly stern about the move and concerned about the unrest in Bangladesh, especially where Hindus being targeted. Back to you.
Okay, Samarth, just stay with us. I just want to play out for our viewers once again exactly what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said.
और राष्ट्र तब सशक्त होगा जब हम एक रहेंगे, नेक रहेंगे, तभी नेक रहेंगे। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे। आप देख रहे हैं ना, बांग्लादेश में देख रहे हो ना, तो वो गलतियां यहां नहीं होनी चाहिए। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, सुरक्षित रहेंगे और समृद्धि की पराकाष्ठा को पहुंचेंगे।